Hi, my name is John O'Frankel from Wealth Mentor, and today's topic I'm going to be discussing with you is the concept of ROI, or return on investment, commonly known as ROI. This is all about how hard your money is actually working for you. Now, no matter what vehicle you're actually choosing to invest in, whether it's property, whether it's shares, you want to know how hard your money is working for you, what your return on investment is. The way we work out the ROI is we take our profits divided by how much we've actually invested into the investment. So profit divided by money in the deal times 100 is going to give you a percentage. That there is your return on investment. As an example, if you invest $100,000 into an investment and over a year that investment makes you $10,000, your return on investment would be profit of $10,000 divided by money in the deal of $100,000 is going to give you a 10% return on investment. Guys, if you've enjoyed today's video, please remember to hit the subscribe button below and most importantly, stay awesome.